Okay, this is the second video for the GRBL CNC controller. This is May 2nd, 2019, and I've installed the two relays down at the bottom for the run start and the e-stop reset, and also the three buttons up top. We have the left green start button, the e-stop in the middle, and the reset e-stop latched button. And basically I'm going to show the operation of how this e-stop circuitry works. It's basically a standard CNC to shut off the 24 volts and stop the X, Y, and Z motors, as well as the spindle. I haven't ordered the spindle yet, but I want to test the X, Y, and Z system. I want to calibrate it before ordering the spindle. Over on the left right here is where the GRBL, the Uno, the Arduino Uno, and the GRBL Shield will go. And in this box, that's the Uno on the left and the GRBL Shield on the right that goes on top of it. Below is the power supply for the X, Y, and Z motors. It's 24 volts. These are the X, Y, and Z motors from top to bottom. Again, this is the relays for the run start and the e-stop reset latch. And so let's give this a whirl. We're basically going to power it up on the left, and nothing actually happens except for the 24 volts LED goes on for the X, Y, and Z axis power supply. And then if we push the run start, that light comes on, that latch is active, and we see that the X, Y, and Z now have LEDs active. And if we go and push the reset or the emergency stop, that light goes off, the run stop goes off, the e-stop latch LED goes on, the fault LED goes on, and you can see that we removed power from the XYZ motors, and the run stop latch went off where up on the top, and the bottom e-stop fault latched, and so it removed power from the 24 volts to the XYZ motors, as well as the spindle. And so now you have to remove, you gotta twist it up and remove the condition, the fault condition, and then you press the reset button, and then the fault gets removed, and you see that the fault is removed here, but there's still no power until you press the start again, and the program will automatically continue from that point. You can see the run stop is lit, and we have 24 volts back on the XYZ axis stepper drivers. Well, this is a short and sweet video on the status of the CNC controller for the Fireball X90. See you next time.